Ladies, gentlemen, fellow mutants, what is going on? It is your boy Rich, one brother from three brothers and a shot of milk. And I'm here again with another unboxing of something special. Maybe, we'll see. You tell me, let me know. But we got another one. Move that to the side. Invincible deluxe figure. Okay? Deluxe action figure. Gotta get that action there. Amazon original Invincible. This comes to us from Skybound Diamond Select Toys and Series 1. And I opened up Omni-Man already. But let's get into my man. This guy is a number 1/001 in the collection. I don't know how long they're gonna have this collection, but hopefully we get all the figures. Let's go. Bang. Remember, as always, cut away. Do not cut towards you. Let's throw you up to the side. I don't think I'll need you anymore. Boom. All right. Nothing else in the box now. Let's throw you over there. Get out of the plastic, shall we? Let's throw you over there. Alright. So far he's looking like his pops. Stunting like my daddy. Yeah, it's looking like his pops. I don't know. Maybe a little bit more sheen to the black. Would have been better. It's not as thick as his dad. Pause. Always careful with the wrist. Articulation seems right. He got like, I don't know why. He looked like he got like dainty hands. Like, look at his hands. Look at the fist. They look very dainty. Like, you don't expect him to be able to knock you, into the next universe. But, yeah, it's pretty wild. Okay. Nice shoulder articulation. Arms good. His ankles are looking better. If you haven't seen the Omni-Man one. Oh, his ankles actually move, unlike the father. That's weird. Maybe I need to stretch him out. That is really weird. But also his father's ankles are thick, with 2 C's. Pause. But anyway, yeah, my man can do the splits. Gotta do the splits. Gotta give him the kung fu split. Was that Johnny Cage? Whoopsie. Anyway, right? Yeah. Okay. All right, we got him. We got 2 heads here. Let's see. It's unnerving taking his head off. Oh my God. Listen, if anyone has tips and tricks on popping heads off, let me know, because this, you know what? We can just keep his head on. Why do we need to do all that? We'll keep his head on. So yeah, we got that. What else we have here? We got the hands. Got the baseball glove, so he can play catch with his dad, which is pretty dope. Just kind of, okay, don't do that. My man's throwing hands at me. I don't know, like, is he supposed to hold a gun? I mean, the hands are a little bit, look at the fingers there, seriously. Like, what are we doing with this? He does have a baseball, which I'm not sure if that will fit in here. Let's throw the hands over here. Really throw hands, but I'm just gonna keep that one in there. But I think I'm taking these out. I think I'm gonna give him the classic Superman. Or maybe I'll go a combination of just the one hand blade and the fist. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're going to do. So you know what? Let's throw the rest of these back. Actually, no, I do want to say this. Look. Let's check out the headpiece. Got the little mean mugging out there. I don't know who he's scaring. Because he ain't scaring his pops. Throw you back in there. Alright, so now boom, you got a baseball, which, I mean, it sits in there, but it's not secure, like at all. So I don't know how you would do that. I guess maybe you could squeeze it into the hand, which, yeah, I guess that works. I don't know, bro. I mean, I guess you can do that. Nah, we're gonna put you back. Put you back in there. We don't need you. Throw you back in there. Got the baseball with kind of like, I don't know, the power sonic boom on it. When he throws it, catches it, whatever. It's pretty dope. I don't know how you would model that. You have to tape it hanging from a string. Oh, wait. I take that back. Oh, there's a hole in there, people. Look at that. There's a hole in it. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? There's a hole in there. So I guess, ooh, this one is giving me the same anxiety as the Deadpool gave me recently. Oh, jeez. All right. Let's pull the bass out. All right. A little bit bigger bass than the pops. Just interesting. Throw you right there. And we have this concrete, which I guess you can kind of put in the hands. Have them hold it. Maybe swing it. You know what I'm saying? Just swing it at his pops. Put the mean face on, put the hands there. And yeah, pretty solid piece of stuff. All right, let's try to make this happen without. Whew, there goes that. So what you should probably do is throw the baseball here. And then if the pops and are in good terms, the pops and Invincible, Omni-Man and Invincible are in good terms, you can kind of do what the fuck, no. Yeah, put that on there. The pops and Invincible are kind of in good terms. They can throw the ball around. You know, just have like, right, that works. Yeah. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know. But I'll tell you what I'm going to use it for. Oh, nope. I'm not going to use that. We're going to put that back in there. In fact, throw you all back in there. I think I'll use this as background. How do I pull this out of here? I don't even remember. This way. It looks right. I'll make things fit. Ooh. It's really, yeah. Whew. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Oh, boy. All right, cool. All right, I got the right hand. Pull this hand out. Almost went bouncing. Pull that hand in. And yo, we're gonna hit it like that. I mean, nah, too bad I can't. Kind of pose the head like it's looking up, but you know, ankle rolls joints out. There we go. Nope. That doesn't. That just droops. That droops. We can't do it like that, people. Can't do it like that. Let's throw you off to the side. Alright, we gotta make this work. Making this work before the end of this video. Okay, you know, take you off. Get too many weak points. Now I feel like that is too low. Yeah, it's too low. So do it like this. Or this might be enough. Things like nope, but we can probably do it like this, kind of tippy toe it. There it is, tippy toe it. Kind of like, you know, doing a little takeoff, a little weird takeoff thing. I don't know, something. But you know, okay, stop. But that's it. Man, I'll tell you, these pieces really fry the nerves when you're messing things around. I never got, my nerves really don't get frazzled like that, but when I come messing with these damn figures, I tell you, my nerves get frazzled, boy. I don't know, but that's him. There you go, Mark. Invincible himself. Okay, cool. And all of his accessorize. Things are falling in the background. And there he is. Yo. Post him up. Listen, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, let me know how I can improve. Let me know if I can facilitate. What is this? It's like some schmegma. Ugh. Yeah, I gotta clean that up. Like Mark got a little excited, huh? I don't know, a little premature emissions there. Pause. It's not bad. I don't know what this little paint scuffing is, but other than that, it's a solid figure. I'm not gonna hold you. I recommend this, and you know, I can give this to a kid to actually play with because it seems pretty solid. I'll just tell them to be careful with the hands, but it seems pretty freaking solid. Like, a kid probably could throw this around with no problem, even though I wouldn't recommend doing that. But yeah, once again, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like the video. Maybe if you don't like the video, maybe if you don't like me. If you don't, go fuck yourself. But no, really. Let us know how we can improve and bring you better content. And till next time, peace.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to Three Brothers and a Shot of Milk.